Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pumpbtc token. Ticker symbol is PUMP. We're going to talk about this token, we're going to talk about how you can get it. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project here. It is at pumpbtc.xyz. Now, I just saw, I noticed this token. They had a tweet on Gate's Twitter, at Gate_IO. It says, the Pump token pre-deposits are live on Gate. Join now for extra surprises. So they have a how to claim section. How to claim Pump tokens to Gate. It says submit Gate UID and Pump token deposit address on the claim page. Airdrop rewards will be distributed to your Gate.io account after the token generation event. And it says claim now, airdrop.pumpbtc.xyz. Now their webpage is pumpbtc.xyz, but that is the claim page and you can check your eligibility today, it says. And then it says allocation details will be coming soon. So there is going to be a token generation event coming soon. So if you follow this Twitter, that's right in the corner of the screen here at pumpbtc.xyz. They have 173,800 Twitter followers, over 1,500 tweets, blue verified checkmark. Very huge following there, huge project. And it says how to find your deposit address. Go to the main page. Search for Pump, select BEP20, Binance Smart Chain Network. Your Pump deposit address is under the deposit address. So it has all this information in their most recent tweets if you want to check this out. Now this has to do with the pre-deposits, the airdrops, the eligibility checkers. All this is now live. But the TGE, the token generation event, the official listings of the token will be coming soon. So just follow this Twitter for more details about that. And then they also have on their webpage, they have a Discord you could follow. They have a document section. Now if you go to mainnet.pumpbtc.xyz, they have staking, swapping, they have bridge, they have DeFi section, withdraw. You can connect your wallet. So you have to accept terms first before you connect your wallet, but they have all different options like a Binance Web3 wallet, MetaMask wallet, OKX, Bybit, Bitget, Wallet Connect, etc. So you connect to one of those, and then they have the swap features, the bridge features, all that type of stuff on their webpage. Now, what is this project all about? So let's get to that. So Pumpbtc serves as a liquidity staking solution for Babylon. Its mission is to bring DeFi into the Bitcoin ecosystem, driven by an ecosystem-centric approach and supported by seasoned DeFi experts and industry-leading partners. By abstracting complexities, Pumpbtc facilitates effortless collaboration between users and Babylon. Users can stake into Babylon with a single action through Pumpbtc, immediately receiving liquidity tokens without a waiting period. Inspired by the Pump meme culture in the Bitcoin community, Pumpbtc aims to help BTC holders maximize yields through Babylon's liquid staking, essentially rebuilding WBTC BTCB pairs with native yield. Now, traditional proof of stake chains rely on their native tokens for staking, often facing challenges such as high inflation rates and initial token distribution difficulties. Now, Babylon introduces a groundbreaking solution by enabling Bitcoin assets for staking. This innovation not only addresses the inherent issues of POS systems, but also transforms Bitcoin into an interest-bearing asset, allowing staked Bitcoins to generate rewards. Now, they have the key features here are uncompromised safety. So Pumpbtc collaborates with licensed custodians Kobo and CoinCover to ensure maximum protection of native Bitcoin assets. Also, multi-chain DeFi integration. They have native yield generation and points aggregation as well. On their webpage, they have Pumpbtc preseason information, a video step-by-step guide how to maximize your points. Complete Pumpbtc's preseason Galaxy campaign. Then they have the referral system. You can check that out if you want to refer people. How does Pumpbtc work? Well, it's revolutionizing the way users can leverage their Bitcoin across multiple blockchain networks, initially launching on the Binance Smart Chain with plans to expand to other EVM-compatible chains like Berachain and Scroll. Pumpbtc allows users to stake various forms of Bitcoin and receive Pumpbtc tokens in return. These tokens automatically accrue yields from the Babylon protocol, offering a seamless staking experience. Prioritizing security, Pumpbtc doesn't directly hold users' assets, but instead collaborates with professional licensed custodians like Kobo, MPC, and CoinCover. This approach significantly reduces associated with traditional bridges like MetaMask, Nomad, while still enabling additional yields. Transparency is at the forefront of Pumpbtc's design, with real-time dashboard displaying proof of asset data, allowing users to constantly monitor their staked BTC. The custodians handle the delegation of equivalent native BTC for Babylon's finality provider on the Bitcoin mainnet and manage the distribution of rewards to users. And this comprehensive system ensures that Pumpbtc never directly handles users' assets, minimizing security risks while maximizing potential returns. By combining multi-chain accessibility, professional-grade asset security, real-time transparency, and efficient yield generation, Pumpbtc offers a unique solution in the DeFi landscape. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.